Hello guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see what is Grammarly, how to use Grammarly on different browsers. So for many of you might have heard about this Grammarly but may not know what is the exact use of it and exact essence of it. So for you people, Grammarly is a free online writing assistant. It is for mistake-free writing. With Grammarly, we have some special AI powered writing assistant. And if you want to give a best shot with your works, I have to trust me, it is a better companion for you. So without any delay, let's get started into the video of what Grammarly is and how to use it on different browsers, how to install it in different browsers. So let's get started without any delay. So here we are guys. So firstly I would like to start with the Google Chrome. So here let's type this Grammarly on, and then we would get into this website, this page. So let's see what about the Grammarly is. So it is a free grammar checker. We can see over here we get this mistake free writing, and you can log in with your account. So here you can see the uses of it, benefits of it, and this is just a sample of how it is used. So firstly we will just have a glance of this page. So it checks your punctuation beyond the grammar and spelling, and also it suggests you which is best for a better alternative for your words, for your sentences. So how to use this in Chrome browser. So here you can see this button, add to Chrome. It's free, so let's add it to the Chrome. Click on the add to Chrome button. So you need to add it to our Chrome extensions. So then let's add to Chrome, add extension. So it will be done in few seconds. So then until then let's have this glance on this website as well. Yes, we got here some email to be used. So we have done this extension, almost done, it is checking. So until then I'll just show you another way. So I'll use my Google account only over here. So here we can see Grammarly is installed now with the Chrome. So we can sign up and just continue with this. So I'll choose this Google account as my sign up option. So that is which is more comfortable to me. You can use anyway. So I'm almost done. So here you see our Grammarly has been added to the extension, and we can even remove it from the Chrome again if we don't want it. So here I have been signed into this Grammarly account. So here you can choose this. So most of your writing is for what? So I can choose it for work, and let's continue. So I won't help it. So you know this where you are you needed help. Like we can choose, like if you are somehow bad with the spelling and grammar, you can choose this. And so here is the example, some of the examples: effect and affect. So these two sounds to be similar, but they have different meanings, and spelling and punctuation errors, grammar errors. And you can check this sounding fluent, clear communication. Plagiarism, so it is what which tells you that if you have been copying from some of the other website or the similar lines are there with some other works, it will let you know, because it is the most important thing, and it will show you some synonyms which sound more meaningful, more fluent to the readers, tone and delivery, conciseness and other things. So we can select all of them. It's up to you which you need, so I am selecting everything. So then, so I want help identifying when I sound. So if you are just going with the flow, and if you want to get notified when you are sounding more informative or friendly or defensive or angry, forceful, neutral, so it's up to you. I can select anything. So I want to be like, if I am sounding more forceful, I want it to know, like the words define it, right? So I would like that it should let me know. So I'll continue, and you can select your language. So primarily we would go with English, and let's continue. So yes, we are done. So here is what you have these two options. A free is with which helps you with spelling, grammar and punctuation, and this is the premium one, which will tell you this tone detection, conciseness, inclusive language, word choice, fluency, everything. So this is for premium, and it will charge you with level $11.66 per month. So you can be billed annually. So this is if you are really a professional writer, or your work is some professional thing, you can go with this premium one, and if not, you can go with this free one. So for now I will move with this free package. So let's wait for a few seconds until it gets loaded, and yes, it's done. So it is some demo document which we have got. So let's start. Let's take a quick tour and let's see what's about everything. So we'll just leave this and see. Start writing. So I'll just explain you briefly what all these are. So this is your overall score after all your writing. You can see this, how easy you are writing, and it will show how correct it is: correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery. So it will show you the levels of these, and here you can find all the suggestions and some corrections over here. So for example, here you see punctuation. So this is how you can remove the space. You should not put this space between this punctuation and this full stop. So this will be all right now, I guess. Yes. So here we get showed. In the place of showed, we can use this show. So like this, you can analyze your paragraphs, you can analyze your work, and you can add probable or relevant changes. You can make relevant changes. So here, so like this, it is all used, and it is really beneficial for you guys. So then next, so here we will see with this Microsoft Edge browser. So here we will type Grammarly, and we will see. We'll see this. It's getting done. So here we are. So let's go with this link, www.grammarly.com, and here we are. So here also we have this button, add to Microsoft Edge. So it is free. So let's click on this button, and here we can add this to add-ons. Edge add-ons in the Google Chrome will be having this extensions, and for this Microsoft Edge will be getting this add-ons. So let's click on the get button over here, add extension, and it will be automatically getting installed. So it is checking as it is compatible with the browser. So we are almost done. So here this Grammarly has got installed, and similarly like before in the Chrome, you can sign up with Google or Facebook or your Apple account, and you can get done with this Grammarly. You can move ahead. So let's see for this Firefox browser too. So here we have this Firefox browser. So with this we will see how to install Grammarly for this Firefox browser. Let's type on Grammarly. So we'll be redirecting to this Grammarly web page. So here we go. So let's go with www.grammarly.com. So you can see this, we get another button here, add to Firefox, it's free. So we will hit on this button in order to add this Grammarly extension with your Firefox. So let's click on this. So it is getting downloading and verifying for this add-on. So let's wait for few seconds to get it done. Let's click continue installation, add. So this is how we can see allow this extension. Okay, got it. So we are almost done with this. So here you can see we got this Grammarly extension, and you can log on to Grammarly and you can use this in Firefox as well with this method. So by this video you have all got to know about how to use Grammarly in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Firefox browser. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching.